Now that you have your subdomain already installed, we can put an application on it. Some may choose to write their own code to create their own websites. However, those without any coding knowledge can choose one of these open source applications that will do a lot of the work for you. In your cPanel in BuffsCreate, if you click All Applications, you'll see a wide variety of different applications available for you to install. Each application will place different functionality onto your website. For the sake of blogging, we recommend WordPress. One of the biggest reasons why WordPress is still the best blogging platform for your blog is because of its user-friendliness. You need no technical knowledge to edit and design your website the way you want, and you don't need any coding knowledge in order to do things like have comments or contact forms on your website. You can change the layout of your post types, add widgets that are best for blogging, and have a forum. WordPress has a wide range of support documentation as well, and many people have created support videos for almost anything you'd like to create on the service. Around 810 million websites use WordPress as of 2023. This represents around 43% of all websites. So, for our blog tutorial, we will install WordPress. That being said, you are more than welcome to explore all of these other options if you are interested. So to begin, you will click the WordPress icon and click Install this application. From there, you will be directed to a page where you will set up all of your initial settings. For the location section, you will want to select the subdomain that we have just created. You will notice that there are 4 different options for you to choose from with the subdomain. You can see I have a lot of domains here because I've created a lot of websites, but you can just scroll until you find the one that you're looking for. For this demo, I will be using this demo subdomain. And you can see there are 4 options here. It does not matter which one you choose, besides the fact that you must choose the URL specifically with HTTPS. That S is really important because it makes your site secure. If you don't choose this option, people will see a warning that your site is not safe. The next section, the directory, is optional. This will add another part to the end of your URL, so we often recommend leaving that section blank to keep your URL as simple as possible. For the next few settings, we will leave the defaults. Again, we encourage you to explore each of these as you gain more experience with creating websites, but for simplicity's sake, we recommend leaving these the same. In the settings section, you will get the chance to create your username and password. This will allow you to log in to your site to edit it, so you'll want to make sure to change it to something you will remember. For our sake, I will make the username BuffsCreate and the password BuffsCreate. You can see that it says the strength is weak. When you are making your own username and password, you will want to choose something more secure than this. Then you'll create the website title. This is the name of your site and will often display on all of the pages of your website. It will also be what displays in the tab at the top of your browser located here. So you can see this title is dashboard-BuffsCreate. For our example, I will make our title BuffsCreate Blogs. Then you can add a tagline to your site. This is not always displayed on your site, but it represents a short description of your entire website. For our example, I will put a blog for CU students. In the section for login attempts, we recommend that you choose No, do not limit login attempts. This just ensures that if you forget your password and username, you don't get locked out from your site. I will then leave all of the rest as is and click Install. In the next video, I will talk to you about the themes that you can apply to your new WordPress site.